The amazing statue of Neptune in Spain's Gran Canaria.
The statue of Neptune, god of water, lies about 40 feet off the shore of Gran Canaria. Most of the day it is fully visible, but when the tide comes in, it looks like it's emerging from the depths of the sea. The statue of Neptune, also called Poseidon, at Melanera Beach in the city of Las Palmas, capital of Gran Canaria, one of Spain's Canary Islands. Melanera Beach in Gran Canaria makes us feel like kings of the sea for at least a day. Sculptor Luis Arancibia carries the sea in his piercing stare, as did poet Rafael Alberti. The Atlantic glint in his eyes has an explanation and an origin. As a boy, he would swim out to the point where the volcanic rock poked over the sea on the south side of Melanera Beach in Gran Canaria. Many years later, Arancibia would create a 4-meter-high bronze sculpture of Neptune that still towers over the area to this day, and which allows the Lord of the Seas to look out over his kingdom from his watchtower. The story of the sculptor who elevated the King of the Seas onto this stone throne on the water's surface demonstrates just how each place possesses its own particular biography. In this case, the Melanera Beach can rightly boast of being a place for tranquil people, of still waters, and peaceful environments. The same tale is written daily on the fine sands of mostly volcanic origin along the coast of Telde, a coastline in which the sun is nearly an ever-present, illuminating upon a scenario of happy tales. The good Neptune is not the only ocean inhabitant around the surface of the water. The restaurants specializing in fresh fish and seafood that look over the avenue and coastal surroundings are another of the top attractions at Melanera Beach. Melanera is a delicate sandy strip that runs for 700 meters, sheltered by large stone guards, that is to say the two bedrock arms that hug and provide the boundary for the beach that is also packed with a huge array of services and facilities. As the sun sinks down, the water in Melanera takes on an almost surreal metallic blue hue, like a sheet of liquid out of which Neptune rises impassively as the first nighttime shadows begin to get caught up on his fork. At this point, Melanera sinks into its inner self, while the sunlight slips away to make way for the artificial lights in the village. Remember, if it's more interesting, you can find it here. Thanks, guys.